Alrighty guys, today this clickbait title price for the four-wheeler is back.
Yeah, I'm gonna just stop you right there. Somebody said, because he said it in the title, it was a $125 four-wheeler, and they're like, oh, it must be nice to clickbait the title and get it for 125 bucks. It's like, we actually got it for 125.
Like, if you saw in those videos, like, this thing was, I mean, it still is kind of rough shape, but before it was piss poor, guys.
Really bad.
So yeah,
It literally had no oil in it.
It literally had no, and it leaked out for probably 2 months straight. It was still leaking fluids. I don't know what was in it. I don't know what it was leaking, but it kept leaking
everywhere.
So what we did to fix the leak, new shift shaft seal right there behind the shifter.
OEM.
Kawasaki. And then we had to make a new shifter. Spark came through on the fabrications. It's basically a KX85 shifter with another shifter spliced in, like a little piece of the shifter here.
No, it's just flat stock.
Oh yeah, that was flat stock in there. Yep. And then we just put the end of the shifter back on, but no play in there. I mean,
it's nice. Looks good.
Worked really good actually. And then we put no air box. So we put the uni filter on there.
Get you up in there. You can see the little bit of it. Oh yeah, there you go.
The only thing we have to do really yet is put a little mesh screen on there to kind of keep the crap out of the crankcase breather.
Crankcase breather.
Yeah. It does sprockets, as those will poke you if you go and touch them.
Oh yeah.
But the chain's in great shape because it kept leaking on the chain. So it's literally a self-lubricating system.
Yeah. Yeah, zero stiff links.
No, that thing is. Oh, this thing is great. Like, I mean, this thing is pliable to the T.
What's wrong with the suspension though?
Oh yeah, so Mojave's, every one of them comes with blown out suspension. He's catching air, guys. If you can see that, you could have put some boards underneath the tire.
Like, he's ready to break the shock bolt right out.
The spring.
Yeah, it's literally just spring. There's no
shock and some sprockets.
And then Spark we put a new crush ring in the header, and then Spark kind of sandblasted the exhaust and painted up real nice.
High temp paint, nice.
Low temp paint, like Sparky did.
Nice.
But yeah, other than that, what else we do? We put a choke. Mark made a custom choke.
Oh, check that out.
Lever on here, screw on there. Look at that.
Oh, dude, that ain't. Let me get a little shot. Oh yeah, that looks factory. It works.
Front brakes.
Put a new master cylinder, right?
On there. Yep.
Fuel tank leaked like a sieve, so I made a cork gasket out of some gasket maker.
And plastic welded the tank.
Plastic welded the crack, and I mean, well, that and I rebuilt the petcock.
Nice.
Thing is mint. All new hardware and the plastics, because the plastics were pretty much
nasty drift stitch job.
I mean, they were not held on. And
fresh set of grips we put on last year that are still doing good.
Yep. This is a true 87. We did double check it. With this color scheme, you can pretty much guarantee it's the first year. Twin to our other one.
And this one, the rims are actually in really good shape still, too.
Yeah,
like all the paints on them.
Patched a couple tires because the tires were...
Gave it a little clean job. It looks like it cleaned the skid plate out pretty good.
The skid plate out, because I mean, it had... I mean, when I'm saying there's gunk on there, it looked like that fuel tank, the sap that came off there. It was just layered on there.
Disgusting.
What else we did?
Ignition, you guys. Well, we found out that the switch was shitty.
Yeah, well, you gotta run the VR1.
Electrical. We still don't have lights. But we need lights.
If you're gonna run a Mojave, guys, we learned the hard way. Thank you to some of the viewers that commented and said, "Hey, run the high zinc oil. You're gonna be adjusting the valves for every ride."
Yeah.
Every ride.
I switched over too.
And it has the factory no rear grab bar.
Yeah.
And the factory Saskatchewan chrome anti-slip.
We'll
make you slip.
Ribbed seat.
As in ribbed, you mean the foam's missing, so it's like ribs.
Yeah.
Otherwise, she's a bone stock, like one kicker on the most days. Let's see. Fire it up maybe, eh?
Oh, yeah. We'll give her a few wheelies on her.
Oh,
the switch is off.
Oh, no. The kill switch. But anyways, guys, it doesn't sound bad, you know? Hey, for 125 each, total investment about 200 bucks. We put a tube in the tire, plugged another tire.
The seal was like 25 bucks.
Oh, yeah. She rips good though.
And from the factory, you can go straight from first to reverse.
Yeah, the safety is bypassed.
Yeah,
like
the knob got I think the internals of it just got really chewed up and it's just locked up.
Yeah.
Which is nice.
She's gonna rain here, boys, any second, so we'll have to cut her short, but that's the Mojave update right there.